Hi everyone, my name is Tasia and welcome to my channel. Today I will paint, hopefully with you, this colorful horse. I painted on the stretched canvas. It's 8 by 12 inches. On this painting I had quite a wide palette. It's really not necessary, so I will tell you the wide palette and short palette that is really possible to paint too. So the white palette is titanium white, Naples yellow light, flash tint, coral pink, Naples pink, fluorescent lemon yellow, fluorescent green, cadmium yellow deep, sap green, chromium cobalt bluish-green, magenta, Turkish blue, light blue. Woo! It's quite much of colors. I count 14. 14 could be your whole palette for everything. So it's really not necessary. And the most important paints are titanium white, Naples pink, cadmium yellow deep, sap green, chromium cobalt bluish green and magenta. That's all. Since I forgot about magenta in the start, I placed it between bluish green and fluorescent yellow. Don't do like this, it's very contrast and it shouldn't be there. I covered the hardboard 8 by 8 inches by the film, so then I can just throw away excess of paints. I'm mixing paints with oil. Also, you can use odorless solvent or mix odorless solvent with the oil in 1:1 proportion, because first layer should be thin, and remove the extra paints by the cloth. I took Turkish blue just to mark where parts of horse face should be. I mixed with oil to make it some thinner. It was very fast sketch and we will change it during the painting. It's very alla prima painting. In total it took me 1.5 hours. In the part with nose I took cobalt bluish green. I took sap green, mixed it with oil, and dark parts are just thicker and less oil. Using the Turkish blue for the top background. Added some here by the cadmium yellow deep, Naples pink in the bottom of the mane. To have something in common with the background, I took sap green to make the shadow, fluorescent yellow for this part of the background, so it should shine. I mixed fluorescent yellow with white and started to make the strokes by the palette knife, oval shaped. Also, I painted the picture on the borders using the flash tint. Here it looks pinky, and the Naples yellow light. Sorry for the defocus, it will stop soon. Cadmium yellow deep. I wanted to make the ears shine like the sun. It shines through them a little on sides. And this horse has colorful spot on the nose. Placing the eyes. I mixed magenta with white, so here is the light violet for the face and mane. In reality, it's the white horse with blonde light mane. It's not yellow that much, but I wanted to add some more colors. Making the shape with the blue colors and some structure to the mouth. Added some pure magenta. Detailing the face with a small brush, greens and blues. Adding some Naples yellow light and flash tint with white to make it shine. I took sap green to the ears and some more attention to the eyes with cadmium yellow. I add some very light strokes by almost white, light blue. More attention to the face with the magenta. Using palette knife with yellows for the background, I wanted to add some more attention to this part in the center of the picture. Adding some Naples pink and light magenta. Adding details to the nose, I want it to be more on the first plane. But anyway, still the ears are too contrast. I removed some parts of greens from the background. I felt that it starts to be too dark, making attention. I took fluorescent green and put it by the palette knife. And detailing some the eyes. I decided this cold pink from the light magenta should be everywhere. Added some to the ears. Here the color looks red, but it's Naples pink. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and you could follow it to make your own very colorful shiny horse. If you'll paint from my tutorial, please show me your result. Send it to the Instagram or to my post. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please follow my channel and press like.